how to get the new YouTube update on iPhone. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get the latest YouTube update on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, you can head over to your app store, and once you're here in your app store, you're going to click on search icon over here, go to the search bar and search for YouTube, and then press search. So over here you'll be able to see this YouTube over here. Now you can see that I have an update right now. So what you can simply do is just click on update. So just press update. And here you can see that the update will begin shortly, and it will just take a few seconds or hardly a minute. It will just be updated within seconds. So just wait for this bar to get completed. And once it's done, you'll be able to see an option that says open. So just click on open, and once you do so, you'll be able to see that you have been redirected to the latest version of YouTube, that is the latest update. Now for some reasons, if you're not able to update your YouTube application, or you have already updated and still you cannot see the updated features of YouTube, what you can do is just go back and long press on YouTube and simply remove the application, and then you can install the application again, because sometimes the issue is in your cache memory, and reinstalling the application just removes that and clears that and updates the app from scratch. So that is basically how you can get the new YouTube update on iPhone. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.